Okay. Here's this spot. Oh boy, I see why it's on there. It's like that's definitely not coming off. Gotta paint it. Very dirty countertops. I'll get that. It's not very moldy, but yeah, I'm gonna have to pressure wash everything, obviously. It's gonna get dirty. Okay. There we go. Okay, after. And as you can see, I also got the crack sand. I don't always recommend crack sand, but in this particular case, the cracks were very big. And some parts were like the Mariana Trench that just kept sinking and sinking. And I think the reasoning why they kind of have a more separate way, because they're supposed to be interlocking sand and there's not supposed to be much room in between, is because it's easier to lay down pavers that way. I used to lay down pavers as a little college job. Because that way when you're trying to level things off, it's really easy to pick it up and put it back down. As you see, we got the rust off here. I mean, it needs a little dab of paint still. That will not come off. Oh, this was actually, there's a lot of mold on top here. Did a real low PSI. Get that off. So I got all the cracked sand down here. Here. And I'll probably lay down more cracked sand next time I come down here. Cracked sand here in little problem areas. Walls and everything are cleaner now. Cleaner. Got all the walls, the windows. I'll put the fence back on now. So, yeah. There you have it.